Hello my dear students, I am here again with third part of my video. Today we are going to know about measurement experiences. Length. Length is the measure of something from end to end. The concept of the standard units for length, the meter, the centimeter, and the kilometer are introduced. This shows the common metric units for length. 1000 millimeter equal to 1 meter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Mass. The focus with mass should be on the heaviness of the object and not its size. The standard units for mass are the kilogram and the gram. This shows the common matrix units for weight or mass. 1000 microgram equal to 1 milligram. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilograms equal to 1 ton. Capacity. Capacity refers to how much a container can actually hold and often relates to volume. For example, the capacity of a hot water tank is the volume of water that can fit inside the tank. The capacity of a petrol tank is the volume of petrol that can fit inside the tank. An empty 1 liter jug has a capacity of 1 liter, but because it is empty, it has nil volume. The standard unit for volume are the liter and the milliliter. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. 1000 liter equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. Time. Time is an abstract and complex concept. The calendar is also a measure of time. Children need to be able to order months and seasons and describe duration of time using days, weeks, and months. They should be encouraged to use the calendar to identify the date and determine the number of days in each month. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. That's enough for today. Bye. We will meet again in the next part of the video. Like and subscribe.